Many companies still plan inventory with static safety stock, fixed reorder points, and spreadsheets. That hides where parameters are wrong and slows every planning cycle. The outcome is familiar: excess inventory in the wrong places, recurring stockouts in critical items, and planners spending time on repeated manual correction. Numi centralizes these decisions in one connected planning environment. So forecasting, inventory optimization, and replenishment become data-driven and operationally usable. Within recommendations, teams can immediately see which items need action, which parameters should change, and where to prioritize first. Safety stock, reorder points, and replenishment strategies are not maintained generically. Numi optimizes them from forecast signals, inventory behavior, and procurement data. Teams can simulate changes directly and review the effect on inventory levels, coverage, and service before a poor parameter reaches daily operations. That reduces excess stock and storage cost while helping ensure that important items remain available when demand and lead times change. With this level of visibility, planning becomes more precise, easier to manage, and much easier to explain across operations and finance. And once decisions are approved, recommendations flow back into ERP directly, without spreadsheet exports and without manual transfer errors. Greater transparency supports faster prioritization, scalable processes, and more reliable delivery performance in day-to-day supply chain work. Book a demo now and see how Numi performs in your own system, with your data, your planning rules, and your operational reality.